welcome back to our channel TechCube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add location to your OnlyFans account. Now let us begin. Well, do note I've already logged in case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to add the location. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to your profile. At the left hand side, just below add card and above this more button, you can see the my profile button. Now guys, this is it. Once you are in the section, all you guys need to do is click on this button called as edit profile. Click on it. Now from this edit profile section, as you guys can see, lots of options, and do note that this is the settings page. From here I'm simply gonna scroll down, and just below bio you can see the location. Now all you guys need to do is simply enter the location right here. As you guys can see, I have entered it. Now once everything's okay with you, simply click on save. Do note that you can also add your website URL and your Amazon wish list. Well, it is up to you. Once everything's okay, simply click on save at the top right. And that's it guys. That's how you add a location, or simply your location for your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. So until next time, thank you.